In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan the QR code for 1Password while setting up a new device. So once you're inside the admin console of 1Password, to get the QR code that you can scan it from your phone, just simply click your account on the upper right, and here you'll find the setup another device. So this is going to show you all the ways, all different devices that you can connect to 1Password, including operating systems and of course different platforms, as you can see right here, iOS device, Android, and so forth. Now here you can look at the bottom left, you will see right here that it shows a QR code, and so you will be able to scan this. So once you're in the phone, it gives you the instruction here: scan this code to sign in. So you open the 1Password app and you will be able to select sign in, then choose scan QR code, and of course you click on show, and you'll be able to scan this QR code and you'll be able to set it up directly. And that's all that you have to do, guys.